This is Tanner, and today's video I'm going to teach you how to swap the Windows key and the FN key in the MSI laptop. So let's look at the original keyboard layout from the MSI laptop. So here you can see the FN key is here and the Windows key is here. So people always like to put the Windows key at the left side, and they can use some hotkey combo like Windows plus D, something like that. So what you need to do is, first you need to go to the BIOS. So I'm going to reboot now so you can see the BIOS option. Okay, so at the same time, let's look at this keycap. So I have already swapped the keycap. Also, as you can see, Windows key at the left and the FN key at the right. So what you will need to do is to go to find a screwdriver. Okay, so let's enter the BIOS first. Boot your computer and keep pressing the delete, and you will see the BIOS page. And then you go to the advanced page, and you will see an option called FN and Windows key swap. So you just enable that and then press F10 to save the BIOS, yes, and then you will be able to go. So what you need to do now is to check how to swap the keycap. So I'm going to teach you. So with the screwdriver here, you will need to simply take it out like this. Simply take it out, and here we go. You get a keycap here, and also take the Windows key at the right out and then swap them, and finally you just put this thing like this, and then give some pressure, and here we go. You can see it works. And now I'm going to lock in the Windows, and the Windows key, like, it works now, and the FN key at the right also works now, like volume up and down, brightness up and down. Yeah, it works. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.